Welcome back. Goa Chess Association are in the process of implementing the first phase of taking chess to schools in the state. The G.C.A. has prepared chess syllabus to be taught in schools. Specially appointed chess coaches are teaching the indoor game in private schools in Mapsa and Ponda. According to the officials of Goa Chess Association, playing chess will develop the personality of the school students. Secretary of Goa Chess Association Kishore Bandekar and Vice President Ashish Keni highlighted the effort of the association to take chess to the schools.
But Mapsa has already started in a private school. To introduce the chess in school at government level is very difficult because the textbook we have to make. We have to go to the government, make the school policy. So we have gone to the private schools. We have got the syllabus, which I told them that it is the 36 chapters are there. In a 1 month we will teach them, and 30 players one batch, and we will issue them a certificate. And if they are having a talent, then we can take them further.
So who is teaching?
We got a coach. Yeah.
SAG is provided.
No, private coaches we are not training. Yeah. We are having a training for coaching. It is a basic training, how to play, what is the opening game, strategy. At least they can start their own. Once you learn the chess on your own, then they can start on the computer, on the internet.
So it's an optional subject, not part of the...
It's optional now. That's what the first phase I said. We said that is because of that. This Tamil Nadu has already taken up.
Yeah.
Mr. Modi has taken it up.
How many schools in Goa are doing? How many schools you have gone to?
We have only started in Moscow, Narayan NRV school.
And Mapsa?
Bicholim they are trying.
We have started in Ponda at least.
Ponda they have started big way.
All the students are given the program. So many schools like Malaysia, many countries also Turkey, they have started it, and they have found that the ability of the students is improving. So it's not that all players are going to become chess players, but everybody is given that given the training to think analytically, which becomes helpful for them in the future life. So in Goa also, as Secretary has said, what happens is we are making efforts to implement it, and we are also trying to put up the infrastructure for training the players. Because each and every school we have to put up coaches. So this will take some time to be implemented.
It's basically a personality development. In this chess, what happens? Players learn to speak quietly and think. It is very difficult. Then they learn to take decisions. This is also important thing. Then they learn to kill. And they also learn to defend.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Good times for Indian football. The inaugural edition of the Indian Super League was officially launched on Thursday. All India Football President Praful Patel, team owners, founding chairperson Nita Ambani were present for the inaugural ceremony. Just like education, sports is also important for children. With an aim to make India a footballing nation, Reliance has endeavored this India Super League. Goa's representative for FC Goa, Varun Dhawan, said Goa's performance will be attacking at the league. ISL logo and website were also launched at the event.
I firmly believe that all children need sports and education for their holistic development. And that's why at the Hero Indian Super League, we have paid huge emphasis on grassroots development. Mukesh and I were at an international conference when the World Cup was being played in Brazil. And everyone at the conference was supporting the national team and cheering for them. Mukesh and me really felt sad. We had no national team to support or to cheer. And therefore, ISL is an audacious dream to make India a footballing nation, to create a dream of creating our own Indian football heroes, a dream of seeing India playing the World Cup.
I don't think so. There's a single person over here who will have anything negative to say about Goa. Who doesn't like Goa? I mean, you're a fool if you don't like Goa. I love Goa. Goa is going to play a brand of football which is going to be exciting, attacking. It's going to live up to the fun and zanzy type of lifestyle that you see in Goa, and yet it's going to be very aggressive and competitive. So watch out for Goa this year, people.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.